practical significance of a dimer? First,
in case of RRS.
PRS.
So PRS is actually part of there are two classes for synthetases, class 1 and class 2. And class 2 synthetases are generally dimers. So the biological assembly is a dimer. So that's the relevance. It needs a dimer to function properly, which is not true for the RRS, which is a class 1 enzyme.
So somewhere you said that you modify compound, I think FF, right?
Yes.
I don't need to go there. So it is more selective, which is, I presume, over
The tetrahydroderivative was 10 times more selective.
Over and above the human. Right?
Yes.
So what is the reason for that?
Actually, in the work we are doing currently, we are trying to answer the selectivity issues. So what we have come up is, we know the active site residues are identical.
Yeah, that's what.
So what we are measuring is the second shell and the third shell residues, and we have seen differences in parasitic PRSs and the human host PRS. So there are subtle differences in residues at the secondary and the third tertiary shell residues, and they are actually providing the plasticity and flexibility to the active site, and this somehow explains the differential selectivity between the human and the parasitic PRS.
Okay. And all of this, there is always seems to be a mixture of allosteric as well as competitive effect, right? I mean, some wise man told me, and I didn't follow that. It's very important for the enzyme, including myself, the order of binding of the two, when you have two substrate enzymes. So, or is it a ping pong reaction or other reaction, so on and so forth? Can that be exploited to design and use these subtle differences to design more specific inhibitors?
So the event in binding for PRS is first ATP binds, which assists HF binding. So the order is first ATP binds, then HF binds. So can we exploit this? Actually, we were actually trying to fuse ATP analog and HF analog. So there is a drug called cladosporin, which is an ATP analog, ATP competitor. So we were trying to fuse HF and cladosporin so that we have a drug which sits in the three pockets simultaneously. So we actually are working on this fusion.
So the examiner was given a lot. These can be exploited for drug design and so on. Basically, doesn't have any questions. So I think the audience can ask the question now. Like, this is your last time, I guess, and let him go otherwise.
So what is the selectivity ratio between the human RNA synthetase and the Plasmodium tRNA synthetase?
Selectivity for
this Plasmodium tRNA synthetase, how will it exclusively select for those? I mean, is there going to be any side effect of all this?
So
will it also
RRS we haven't shown any inhibitor, so the selectivity issue is not addressed in case of RRS. In PRS we have an inhibitor which binds both the human PRS and the Plasmodium PRS. So there we have to calculate the selectivity between the two. In case of RRS, the human RRS also binds hemin, Plasmodium also binds hemin. The physiological relevances are separate. So in Plasmodium case, it's involved in the hemin synthesis, which is the result of chloroquine action, but same is not true for the human enzyme. And the role of human RRS binding to hemin is not explored till now. So, but there was a study which showed that this binds to hemin binds to human. The role was not evaluated by that study. What we have done is evaluated the role of the Plasmodium RRS in the parasite.
You must have tried to co-crystallize hemin.
We did, sir. We got the crystals, but unfortunately there was no density. So there was no hemin bond.
Crystallized without hemin. So the binding may be revealed.
No, we co-crystallized hemin and RRS also. We got the crystals, but when we got the data, there was no density for hemin in the active site, anywhere in the protein. So, yeah.
There are lots of young people and first year students should be asking questions.
And anyway, he'll be out of here, so he won't be remaining.
It is a celebration in a way, right? So we should let him.
Should we let him go or?
Especially when he's
So please ask questions.
Especially when he's done a good job.
I'll be happy to answer.
If not, then I think we can